That means it should be going on through, maybe? Hopefully they don't think we're too close. There's that blue locomotive again. The whole thing. And this one's really slow, huh? Are we gonna stop somewhere? Yeah, the other one. This is like the third time they're doing it. Is it something? Let me have stopped somewhere near St. Helens Junction crossover. It might block that it's crossing it that way. That's the most exciting one. I think that one went through right here. That one's like, they're not waiting. They're gonna go somewhere, huh? So you know that leads to somewhere else, huh? I don't know where that was, you know? I know it goes south. Probably don't wait for the whole thing. And in this video, please like, share, and subscribe.